live in a city for the first time in my life. After being here for 8 months, I have started to adapt to this lifestyle, but eventually the constant noise and chaos engulfs around you. Everyone and everything moves so fast you never really have a chance to just stop and breathe. With all this commotion, it can be difficult to find motivation, but after I failed to find nature last October, I said,
there's no way I'd ever give up that easily.
So realizing I miss nature again, I'm going to try and find it while adding another challenge. About 4 miles up a hill from my university is Coles Mountain. It is the tallest mountain in the city of San Diego, and I haven't been there yet. The trail is 1.5 miles and 950 vertical feet, but I thought just hiking it isn't nearly challenging enough. So here's the plan. I'm going to wake up at 4:30 a.m., run from my dorm to the top of the mountain to watch the sunrise, and then run back to school hopefully before my roommates even wake up. Sounds easy enough, but something will probably go wrong. So today is May 6th, and my last morning opportunity to do this run while I'm still in San Diego is this Friday, the 10th. Unfortunately, right now the weather here is very unpredictable and it keeps changing from clouds to sun to rain. So on Friday right now it looks like it's going to be cloudy, which means I won't be able to see the sunrise. I'm still going no matter what, but I just hope that the clouds clear in the next 4 days. Okay, so it's Thursday night right now and I just checked the forecast for tomorrow, and unfortunately it's definitely going to be cloudy. That's fine though, but what I need to do right now is set out all my stuff for the morning because I'm going to be getting up in complete darkness super early and I have to be quiet, so I need to set out all my stuff beforehand. Alright, I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so I guess it rained last night, but anyway, I'm outside. It's like 5 a.m. and yeah, time to get going. It's definitely nice and chilly out this morning, that's for sure. I'm just now leaving campus. Okay, I'm just now starting up hill number 1. To get to the base of the mountain, you have to run up and down a series of 3 hills. It isn't exactly difficult, but the hills are long and steady and can become tiring. It is actually like dumping right now. This is so unexpected. This is by far the quietest I've ever heard it in this city, and it's kind of eerie, but it's also really nice. Okay, I'm just now turning onto Navajo. I'm just now hitting at the last hill before the mountain. I can only see the bottom half of the mountain right now because the rest is covered in a cloud. That is insane. Okay, so I made it to the base of the mountain. It's still raining a little bit. It's completely covered in fog, but I'm just gonna take a quick break and then head up, I guess. So. All right, here we go. I'm officially in the cloud. Can no longer see the city. Miraculously, about 3/4 of the way up, the fog just suddenly lifted. The sky just broke open. This is amazing. Look at that view. just made it to the top, and let me tell you, the view is freaking amazing. Look at this. As amazing as these views were, I was getting cold and I still had to run 5.5 miles back, so I thought I'd better get going. So I just ran 11 miles to the top of a mountain, and I'm pretty sure my roommates are still asleep, so